If you're running the trucks and the revenue looks good, but bank account stays empty, you're trusting the wrong number. Let me explain. You're running the trucks. You're looking at the rate confirmations. You are saying yes to loads that look good. And at the end of the month, money doesn't stack. You know what I'm talking about. You're not broke. And obviously you're not failing. But also, you're not stacking the cash the way the revenue says you should be. And I know why. It's because you're trusting RPM. And RPM is lying to you. Let me be clear about something right up front. I'm not a dispatcher. I don't teach dispatching. I'm not running a course on how to find good loads. I own trucks. I lost a lot of money on loads that look good on paper. I've sat in the exact chair you are sitting in right now, looking at the rate cons and trying to decide if it's worth it. I have seen the pattern destroy the same business over and over and over again. So this isn't a theory. This is more of a pattern recognition. Here is the lie. Rate per mile feels like intelligence. It feels like you're doing the math. It feels like you're being disciplined. It also feels like you're running a successful business like a professional. $2 per mile, not bad. $2.50, I'll take it. $3, hell yeah, and you hit accept. And the truck moves, and the revenue comes in. And 2 weeks later, you're wondering why your bank account does not match your revenue report. Because RPM is a vanity metric. It tells you what you're making, but it doesn't tell you what you're keeping. Let me explain how this destroys businesses. Not overnight, not dramatically, just slowly, quietly, over months. You take a load, $2.20 a mile. Sounds fine. Truck is sitting, driver is ready, fuel is not too bad this week, and you say yes. A week later, $2.30 a mile. Better rate and longer haul, and obviously you feel good about it and you say yes. None of those decisions were bad. They were all okay, and that's the problem. Because businesses don't die on one bad decision. They die on 100 okay decisions that all pointed in the same direction. I've seen this too many times to pretend it's rare. A guy running 6 flatbeds, revenue looks solid, trucks are moving, drivers are getting paid on time, brokers are happy. And 6 months later, he's refinancing his equipment to cover operating costs. Not because he made a terrible decision, because he made 50 decisions in a row without knowing his cost per mile. And here's the thing, he thought he knew. He had a number in his head. My trucks cost about $1.70 to run. In that word about, this is where the trucking companies go to die. So let me draw a line, because there is a difference between amateurs and professionals in the industry, and it has nothing to do how long you've been in the business. Amateurs make decisions based on RPM. Professionals make their decisions based on margin. Amateurs guess their cost per mile. Professionals know their cost per mile to the penny, per truck, per day. Amateurs say that load looks good. Professionals say that rate clears $230 after costs. Amateurs operate on feel. Professionals operate on math that doesn't care how they feel. Here's what happens when you don't know your cost per mile. Every decisions become emotional. Truck's been sitting for 2 days. Obviously, you get nervous. You start saying yes to rates you would normally pass on. Fuel price spiked, you convince yourself it's temporary, and you take that load anyway. Drivers complaining, you book something just to keep them happy. None of that is deciding. That's reacting. And obviously, reacting costs money. When you don't know your cost per mile, you're not running a business. You're just guessing. Now, here's the part that most people don't want to hear, and you know that. You know RPM isn't enough. You know you should be tracking your cost per mile. You know you should be running margin analysis on every load before you say yes. And it's not because you're lazy, because you're human. Let me explain what happens under pressure, because we're all under pressure in the trucking industry. Brokers calling, loads are available, truck is sitting, your driver saying when he's moving, fuel is burning, clock is ticking. And in that moment, your brain doesn't want math. Your brain wants relief. So you look at the rate, and that rate is $2.40. And you say, that's decent. And you say yes to that load. And you feel you made a good decision. You compared it to other rates you have seen. You compared it to what you think your costs are. But you didn't compare it to reality, because reality requires system. And system requires discipline. And discipline is hard when truck's been sitting for 36 hours and broker saying, I need an answer within 5 minutes. So you make the call and it feels fine. And 2 weeks later, when you're looking at your profit and loss statement, you can't figure out which load killed you, because none of them killed you. They all just bled you. And here's why tools exist in the industry. Because here's the truth. Most people don't want to say out loud. You will lie to yourself under pressure. I did. Every trucking business owner that I know has. Not because we are dishonest, We are human. And when the pressure is on, humans optimize for comfort, not profit. So the only way to make good decisions constantly is to remove the human from decision, not remove you. Remove part of you that wants to say yes, just to stop feeling anxious. Let me give you an example. You get the rate confirmation. You pull it up. RPM looks fine. A system that knows your cost per mile, knows your truck, knows your fuel, knows your tolls, knows your deadhead, and it tells you this load nets $133 after costs. Now you're not guessing if it's worth it. You are deciding that $133 is acceptable for that lane, for that driver, for that day. That's a different decision. That's a professional decision. And that decision doesn't collapse under pressure because the math is already done. Let me be very clear with you. I'm not selling anything to you. I'm not pitching a tool. I'm not selling a course. I'm not saying that you need to buy a software. I'm telling you that if you're still making decisions based on RPM alone, you're operating like it's 2003. Your margins are thin. Fuel cost is ridiculous. Insurance is higher. Drivers cost more. Brokers are squeezing harder. And the only people surviving this are the ones who stopped feeling their way through decisions and start enforcing discipline with systems. Whether that system is a spreadsheet, a tool, a process, or a person, I don't care. But you need something between you and yes button that isn't your gut. Because your gut is wrong when you're stressed. And you're always stressed in trucking. So here's where we are. You're running trucks, you're checking load boards, you are saying yes to rates that look fine. And at the end of the month, money doesn't stack. And you have two choices. You can keep doing what you're doing, keep trusting RPM, keep guessing your costs, keep making okay decisions that slowly drain your account, or you can decide that you're done guessing. You can decide that you're going to know, not think, but know what every load nets before you say yes. You can decide that you're going to operate like a professional, not like someone who's just trying to keep trucks moving. Because here's the reality. The guys that stacking cash in the industry, they're not smarter than you. They're not luckier. They're not working harder. They just stop lying to themselves about what their loads actually pay. So which one are you?